Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the symptoms and the layout. You must know whether the issue is software or keycap. First, open your input source settings on your OS and note the selected layout. Once done, check the physical keycap markings to rule out a swapped cap. Make sure to test with an online key tester or a text editor to see which character appears when you press the key, because that tells you whether the OS mapping or the hardware is wrong. Now you change the mapping to correct the swap. On Windows, add the proper keyboard layout, remove alternatives, and confirm the language bar shows the right code. On Mac OS, use input sources and prioritize the correct layout. Once done, use a quick remap tool if your layout still misbehaves, SexMap or Xmodmap on Linux, Sharp Keys or PowerToys on Windows. Test repeatedly while switching layouts so you see the effect. This isolates whether software remapping fixes the character output. Finish by ensuring changes persist. Reboot after removing the wrong layout and reinstall or update the keyboard driver to force a clean mapping. Once done, test with an alternate keyboard or a temporary user profile to confirm it is not a profile-level setting. Make sure to reseat keycaps if their markings are physically swapped. Troubleshooting tip: if the problem returns, reset your OS input settings to defaults and create a new input source from scratch. That often clears cached layout conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.